Close up the casket and open the door. Boot on your neck, I might stomp on your throat. Kick in the back and then clear out the safe. 300 black, you gon' clear out your face.
Alright, man. Welcome back to Spad Trade. Hey, Tomat Spad that Fat, man. Whatever you want to call me. Nice and David, that's my name. If you ain't know, you know now. Hey, Tomat. So today, man, I just want to come to y'all with a quick video of 5 tips to profitability that personally helped me as of recently that I've been locking on and circling around trying to develop and align my focus in these areas. So because I feel like these areas specifically were holding me back from trading, from being the trader that I'm becoming. You feel me? Alright, bro. Tip 1, man. Tip 1. Understanding your emotions. Now let me tell you how this was a downfall. This was specifically a downfall for me for the simple fact that I was trading with my emotions crazy. So that being said, every time I had FOMO, I was crazy on FOMO. I had that shit so bad. If you don't know what FOMO is, that's fear of missing out. You feel me? I stayed with fear of missing out. So tip 1, man, don't trade with your emotions. Don't have FOMO. And don't be trading with fear. If you're not trading with this confidence, if you don't trust yourself and your strategy, don't be in the markets. Please get out of the damn markets. They not for you right now. And it's as simple as that, to be honest. Tip 2, risk management. I want to say I was most definitely bad at risk management at first. It's okay if you're bad at risk management, but if you're bad at risk management, let yourself know that you're bad at risk management. Don't go into a trade and now you losing, but in your brain you like, all right, we was just in that mini uptrend, so it's a possibility if I don't close right now, it could shoot back up in my favor. Let me take away that fear. Let me stop trading with my emotions, and let me just let that bad trade sit. And now that shit done shot all the way down, and you like, damn, bro, I should just got out. Why didn't get out? My account blown. I don't even got. You feel me? Because your risk management wasn't right. You have to have that risk management. It's A1. You have to have not A1 risk management, but don't blow your damn account trying to hold on to a trade that you're uncertain about. You feel me? That's what I'm saying. If you don't have that confidence to be trading, if you don't have that confidence to take the trade in that confluence, and that shit not going with your strategy, and the trend doesn't, and that market structure doesn't line up with everything, bro, and you not following the trend, don't be in the markets. Don't be taking no trades. You feel me? Tip 3. Very important tip. I say this shit to myself every day. I always remind myself of it. Gratefulness over greed. I cannot push this enough. Like, please know when to be grateful. Please know when to take profit. Please know to never be greedy. Even in trading, outside of trading, all from every aspect of life. Greed is not good. Greed got a hold on you when you're in a trade and you reached your daily goal in that trade. But you feel rather than taking partials and then letting that shit shoot up, use just your stop loss to break even. And you just let that shit sit. You let it sit and it shoot all the way down. Now you broken even. You ain't really make no money for real. Plus commission, however much commission was, you probably just lost your money because you broke even. You feel me? So my thing is, don't be that type of person. Don't be that greedy ass person, you feel me? You don't want to be sucked in by that greed. If you reach your daily limit, take your profit. Go withdraw that. Put it somewhere. Don't ever think about it again. And you just do that shit over and over again. Over and over again. Over and over again. And one day when you feel like, all right, I reached this daily limit. I'm reaching this daily limit too fast now. I'm reaching this shit like this. Let me double down my capital. Let me add this on top of my capital. So when you reach that daily limit, don't withdraw it. Leave it. Now you got more capital to play with. Now you can up your lot size, but not too much. You don't want to blow your shit, but you've seen that your strategy is proven worthy. So now you're becoming more confident. You feel me? So you can be more grateful and appreciative of what you're getting rather than just sitting there being greedy, gambling away your fucking life savings and your checks and shit like that. Tip number 4, man, is strategy bouncing. As far as strategy bouncing, I used to do this personally when I didn't understand what the hell I was looking at, like probably like a year ago when I was just dibbling, dabbling. I was just doing gambling. That's all I was doing. I was just gambling because I seen everybody else doing this shit. So once I finally took my time out to understand market structure and then go and look at all these different strategies and back test them on TradingView or whatever you use, you can back test them on TradingView. You can back test them live through a demo account. You feel me? It's a lot of strategies out there. It's hella strategies out there. So many strategies. People consistently coming up with new strategies of their own by implementing some old strategies with little pieces of information and confluences that they got from their selves and their learnings, and they're making it their own strategy. You feel me? Once you feel like one strategy isn't working, you're gonna go to the next one. Once that strategy not working, you're gonna go to the next one. And you're gonna keep ping ponging whichever one you winning with. And then when you start losing with that one, you're gonna go to the next one. You're gonna go, but the whole time it's not the strategy, you feel me? It's you. It's not the strategy, it's literally you. You're the reason why that strategy is not working, because it's something that you're not implementing right. You feel me? You're watching them do the strategy and it's working for them. It's working. They tell you it's working for them. That's how they accumulated most of their damn net worth. But your ass can only accumulate a good 2 out of 5 trades using that strategy. It's you. It's you. It's not the strategy. There's no need to strategy bounce. You need to sit back. Anyway, tip number 5, man. Back testing and using a demo, but also knowledge and psychology. Now, firstly, the back testing and demo shit, that go hand in hand because like I just said, you practicing on a live demo, it's not live money, but you practicing on the live markets with the demo money, and you trying these strategies that you feel me, you gotta implement your strategy on. That's gonna be how it's gonna look every day. So if you could go on a demo account, use the live markets to backtest your strategies and consistently see profit and build that demo account into, like, let's say for instance, I'm gonna say $3 because I built this. I was doing the $7 to $100 challenge. I got to $12 and I blew that $12 all the way down to $3. But I built that $3 all the way back up to $112. If you have not seen that video, go check my page. It's most definitely there. Timestamps and everything. Cannot make this shit up. Anyway, yeah, like you want to backtest, and once that's proven consistent, profitable, you're gonna say, okay, I got it. I might be able to. I might be ready to put my little first $60, my little 100, however much you want to put down. Make sure you backtest and using your demo. I already mentioned TradingView. I already just ran you through how to really backtest on the damn live. You feel me? Knowledge and psychology. I feel like it's gonna be forever a lot of shit to continuously learn about trading and unlock within yourself, but also discover within your trading strategy or within the markets itself. You feel me? So as far as knowledge, I feel like don't stop learning. When you feel like you know it all is when you know the least. I promise you. When you feel like you know it all is when you don't know shit. I promise you. Get your knowledge up. You have to get your knowledge up, bro. Trading is just 10% of this shit. The other 90% is you, which leads me into psychology. If you don't have patience, discipline, confidence, if you're not grateful, if you don't even love yourself, bro, you don't belong here yet. That's just me personally. But if you don't have those things, why are you here? And it's okay because the market's not going nowhere. That's the good thing about the market. It's not going nowhere. Nor does it give a shit about you or your health. You feel me? So when you're depressing ass or however you feel, please forgive me if that hit you different. If you're depressing ass, get inside this damn market and you lose all that damn money. You think, and this is gonna be a little dark. I got dark ass sense of humor. But you think your ass gonna go out there and do some cartwheels, or you gonna go climb up on that roof and try to jump off that bitch? Okay. Hey, I'm going with number 2. Without discipline, you will go against your rules every time. These rules that you set for your strategy, these confluence that you're waiting for, you're not going to wait for those. If you see price just keep going and it's not touching your area or your zone or whatever your type of strategy you're doing, you're just going to get in on that. It's going to finally reverse mid trade. You only in profit 20 something dollars, but because it's been shooting up for so long, you think it's gonna go higher. Whole time it's time for it to reverse. Now your ass is assed out because you ain't have no discipline. You ain't have patience. You feel me? Like, those two things right there is the most crucial things to this shit. It's okay, bro. You gonna get there. Whether you be man, woman, boy, girl, elder, it doesn't matter. It's never too late. And it's never too soon. Everything will fall into place when it's time. Just take your time. Don't rush anything. Don't be greedy. Be grateful. Have that patience. Have that discipline. Follow your rules. Love yourself. Thank Jehovah all the time. Thank the Most High, whoever it is you pray to and praise. That's really my 5 tips to profitability. You feel me? Spaz FX out this motherfucker. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be back the next time with my live challenge. Yeah, we doing a live challenge real soon. Probably start tomorrow on the 20. What's today's date? I believe today the 28th. So we're gonna start it on the 29th. And y'all gonna see it. I'm gonna do all the proof everybody need, and that's gonna be that. For real, my first live account flip on this channel, and not in life, because I done flipped a live account before, and then I blew that shit. But yeah, Spaz Talks out. I keep saying Spaz Talks. This is my other channel, Spaz FX, Spaz Trades, just Spaz out this bitch. Hey, time, man. Y'all stay safe, man. Y'all stay safe and blessed up. Good trades, good trades.